Chery introduced the concept of a new Jetour T-X SUV with a platform for drones. Chery Holding presented a brutal novelty, an SUV called Jetour T-X. So far, the model exists only as a prototype, but the manufacturer made it clear that the serial production will not be long in coming. Externally, the novelty of the Chinese brand resembles the Ford Bronco, Land Rover Defender, and Tank 300 from Great Wall. Their design is deliberately rude and brutal, a high hood line, angular optics, extended wheel arches, and simplified body lines. In addition, the new SUV will receive retractable door handles and original highlighting of the brand name in front. The concept is based on the Kunpeng architecture. It is adapted for all types of power plants, from classic internal combustion engines to various types of hybrids and electric cars. But in the case of this particular model, we are most likely talking about a hybrid installation with the ability to recharge from the wall outlet. According to the website Chinese Automobiles, the range of the new SUV is expected to be within 1,000 kilometers. In addition, the declared fuel consumption will be no more than 1 liter per 100 kilometers. It is also noted that the production version of the Jetour T-X will receive a frame structure, adaptive suspension, and permanent all-wheel drive. At the same time, the car will have one original feature, the presence of a special platform for takeoff and landing of quadricopters, located on the roof of the SUV. But it is possible that the model will be greatly simplified on the way to the conveyor.